In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable work offline in Outlook so you can keep accessing your emails, calendar, and contacts even when you don't have an internet connection. This is extremely useful if you're traveling, dealing with unstable internet, or just want uninterrupted access to your Outlook data. This works directly inside Outlook settings and only takes a couple of minutes to set up. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Outlook and productivity tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Outlook in your web browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once Outlook is fully loaded, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. This is the Settings button, where you can customize how Outlook works for you. After clicking the gear icon, a settings panel will slide out from the side of the screen. From here, scroll down until you find the option that says Enable Offline Email, Calendar, and People. This setting allows Outlook to store selected data on your device so you can continue working even without an internet connection. Once you locate this option, toggle the switch to the on position. When you enable this setting, Outlook may take a moment to prepare offline access in the background. Now, just below this option, you'll see additional settings that allow you to customize how much data is saved for offline use. You can choose which folders are available offline and select the time period for emails, such as the last few days, weeks, or months. Adjust these options based on your storage space and how much offline access you need. This is especially helpful if you want faster performance or only need recent emails while offline. After you've selected your preferred folders and time range, review your settings carefully. If Outlook prompts you to confirm your changes, click the Save button to finalize everything. Once saved, Outlook will automatically start syncing your selected data so it's available offline. From now on, whenever you lose internet access, you'll still be able to read emails, check your calendar, and view contacts that were saved offline. And that's it. You've successfully enabled work offline in Outlook and customized it to fit your needs. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step Outlook tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.